Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add music to your Instagram story. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now to add the story, we need to click on this plus sign in our profile icon. So let's tap on this and choose the photo or the video you want to add in your story. Let's go for this one. Now to add the song, we need to click on this icon over here, so let's tap on this. Now you can see this music written over here, so let's tap on this. Now you can simply choose any music from here, or you can search the music you like. Let's go for this one. So here's the music. Now you can simply click on done, and to proceed we need to click on this arrow in the bottom right corner, so let's tap on this and click on save. Now click on done. Now click on OK. Now your story is posted with music in it. So this is all we need to do. So that was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.